Hey guys, Mark from Complete Turnaround. I'm going to wash my Camaro here. It's been a while. It is coated with Undr Dog Pro. And it's been like a waterless wash and rained on a few times, but it's been a couple months since I went drag racing, and that was the last time I washed it. As you can see, there's some tar here. And also there's just like some rain spots. The wheels and tires are pretty dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and do a detail on it. Alright, I'm going to use some iron remover. Super clean, 3 to 1. Look how dirty the tires are. I have Masterson's wheel cleaner in the bucket. Calm it up a little bit. First I'll use the fender brush. Inner wheel brush. I got this one from Action. It works pretty good, but you probably need a new one pretty soon. You always want to get the inner barrels real good. This also sort of cleans the caliper. Next, the soft wheel face brush. This one's from Adams. These wheels are coated in Apex metal oxide coating. So they're coming clean crazy. Lug nuts. Okay. Tough shine brush. I might have something to make these a little cleaner later. In the bucket we have CarPro Reset, as well as in the foam can. And do a typical 2-bucket wash method. And I got a microfiber chenille mitt. I'm not going to rinse the car, I'm just going to go ahead and foam it. I already washed the wheels.
Okay. Okay.
I'm putting this ceramic car wash in the foam can, and I'm going to foam it again and rinse it, and it'll be done. I'm using deionized water. Alright, we'll let that sit a minute. And this it's the Armor All Ceramic Car Wash. It's one of the only products I like from them, but it actually does work. It leaves it nice and glossy and slick, and it actually helps beat them. So it should top up the coating just a little bit, give it a little protection for everyone. Right, as you can see, we got a little tar here. I'm going to try this Stoner Car Care Tar and Sep Remover. Go ahead and let it sit there for a minute. Spray a little on my towel. I'm not pushing, I'm just rubbing it. It is coming off. Remember, no pressure, just going over it multiple times softly. Foam it again real quick with the ceramic wash, just to add a little protection I probably removed. Okay, you can probably tell it's another day. I ran out of light yesterday, but I did get the car clean. I said I had something to get this rubber and gunk off these rubber stickers. I'm gonna go and use some brake parts cleaner. Just gonna spray it on the towel here. So you can tell it's working great. I'm going to put some tire shine on. I got this Stoner More Shine tire finish. I've never tried it before, so let's see how it goes. I like how evenly it sprays on. I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to spray some quick detailer onto the rim. now I'm going to do the windows. I'm going to use the spray away glass cleaner.